Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this. Today we have taken a Maths Olympiad shortlisted question based on algebra or inequality. Given A, B, C are positive real numbers, A, B, C less than equals to 1, prove that A over C plus B over A plus C over B is greater than equals to A plus B plus C. So where to start? It is given that ABC is less than equals to 1. Then I may write 1 over BC is greater than A. Similarly, 1 over AC is greater than equals to B. 1 over AB is greater than equals to C. This is one relation I got while 1, 3. Now I am taking arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality for first is A ratio C, again A ratio C and C ratio B for these three. So I can write A over C plus A over C plus A C over B is greater than equals to 3 times cube root of C, A over C, C over B. Or this gives me twice A over C plus C over B is greater than equals to 3 times of this is of CC cancel A square by B. Now again A is less than equals to 1 by ABC. So A square over BC is greater than equals to A cube. Please note it again. Twice A over C plus C over B is greater than equals to 3 times, and this 1 over BC is greater than A. So A square into A. So this will be cube root of A cube. This will be greater than equals to A. So twice A over C plus C over B is greater than equals to 3 times of A. Similarly, we can write other relation twice B plus over A plus A over C is greater than equals to 3 times of B. Times of C over B plus B over A is greater than equals to 3 times of C. Now adding these three inequalities, we'll get twice A plus C plus C over B plus twice B over A plus A over C plus twice C over B plus b over a is greater than equals to 3 times of a plus b plus c. And this left hand side is nothing but 3 over ac plus 3 over b over a plus 3 times of c over b is greater than equals to 3 times of a plus b plus c. So cancelling 3 from both the sides, we are getting a over c plus b over a plus c over b is greater than equals to a plus b plus c. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.